Wagwan, let's go to Wagwan Cafe in downtown Kingston. So this is actually a spot that I found on my way to another spot. They have smoothies, burgers, sandwiches, and everything in between. These are a bit more expensive than some of the other places I've been to. I think I'm going to try the cheesy steak sub. Hopefully it's big and filling wide. The only issue I had was that their card machine wasn't working, so I had to transfer them. Also, the food took like 20 minutes to be ready. Oh, you get fries with it too? Okay. Oh, that looks really good. This is their cheesy steak sub. The fries they're okay because they're in their box and it's hot. It got steamy, so they're a touch soggy. I think there's seasoning on them or something like that. Regular fries. So this is like a 6-inch sub from Subway, but you get 2 of them. So I was actually concerned about the price at first, but this is actually not bad for what you get in. So let's try it, see what we think. Wow, I'm actually surprised. This is a very good sandwich. The steak is good, the cheese is good, the seasonings are good, peppers, onions, the whole 9, tough. It's a pretty filling meal. I'd honestly give this a 9 out of 10 overall. I'd love to try more of their stuff to see what the rest of their stuff tastes like, but this is really good. If you guys get the chance to try it, let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next time.